Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. If you are a follower of developments in Abia State, you will discover that there has been a mass defection of People's Democratic Party's leaders and members to the All Progressive Congress in Abia State. The PDP that were humbled by their defeat in the last election by Labour Party's Dr Alex Otti believe that the only way they can get back to power in Abia State is to join the APC. And you know, with PDP almost dead at the national level and at the state level, both and also in the southeast generally. These PDP leaders in Abia State, they believe that by moving to APC, they will have the federal might to be able to challenge the unparalleled support that Alex Otti is having and enjoying from the people of Abia State. Like I keep on saying, Alex Otti has been the best performing governor in Nigeria today, across board, across all political spectrum. I'm yet to be challenged by anybody that could say that his governor has done better than Alex Otti since he became governor on May 29, 2023. Now, they believe that it is federal might that they will use. You know, there's this belief that if you are with the center, then they will give you the federal might to come and challenge other parties to be able to extricate power by force, by rigging, by any other means. That's what they are plotting. That is the agenda. This movement you see, mass movement to APC, is basically in that line. They think that when they will come, first of all, they will tell you that the Abia need a new governor who will be in tune with the center. But that's a lie from the pit of hell. Abia had been good governors with presidents that have been in the center. When Ojo Zokalo was governor of Abia State, PDP was at the center. Even at the time of Theodore, PDP was at the center. So what are we talking about? Now, that is the agenda they are coming with, to come and give the impression that Abuja will help them to take out Alex Otti. Now, recall that Okezie Ikpeazu, the former governor of Abia State, who it is believed that he is the one sending his men to join APC before he will formally join them, is also looking for cover. You know, with the kind of allegations coming out from the Abia State government under the leadership of Alex Otti, there is no doubt that someone like Okezie Ikpeazu would like to have a federal cover so that Otti may not be able to go the full hog to hold me accountable. You know, the federal government is the one controlling the EFCC and the ICPC. And no matter what anybody tells you, the ICPC and the EFCC, they are not as independent as they want us to believe. They dance to the tune of the government in power. And also, don't forget that Okezie Ikpeazu himself was part of the G5 governors who were opposed to Atiku Abubakar, their presidential candidate in 2023 presidential election, and who many had thought that they would be reasonable enough to support Peter Obi. Instead, they went ahead to support Aswani Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the APC. Okay? And it is obvious that already Nyesom Wike, who was the leader of that G5 governors, who opposed Atiku Abubakar, claiming that the reason why he opposed this was because he wanted justice, fairness, and equity. Because this presidency is supposed to come from the south. The president is supposed to come from the south in 2023 and not from the north. But Wike, his hypocrisy is well known. Wike never believed in fairness, justice, and equity. Because if Nyesom Wike believed in justice, fairness, and equity in his quest for power to come to the south, he would have supported the zoning of the PDP presidential ticket to southeast that had never tested the presidency since 1999. Major stakeholders, in PDP wanted it to move to southeast for justice, fairness, and equity. Nyesom Wike was among those who sabotaged that, and he sabotaged it through the people like former governor of Enugu State, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, who was, don't forget, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi was made chairman of a committee to determine whether to zone or not to zone. And they came up with a watery report that was neither here nor there. So Nyesom Wike's claim of fighting for fairness and justice and equity was bare mainly, well, they were just playing politics, because if truly they are for that, they would have supported the position to go to southeast in PDP. Now, even when PDP had nominated Atiku Abubakar, if they are truly about fairness, justice, and equity, all of them, the G5 governors, should have supported Peter Obi, the Labour Party presidential candidate, because it would have made more sense if they had supported Peter Obi. But they did not. Ikpeazu, yes, of Abia State, Wike of Rivers State, Autumn of Benue State, and Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi of Enugu State, and Seyi Makinde of Oyo State, all of them against the wishes of Nigerians, backed Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the APC. And today Nigerians are paying the price for that they are backing. Of course, we know that even the result of the election is very questionable. And many Nigerians believe, rightly too, that that election was rigged against Peter Obi, that he was actually the one that won the election, and it was rigged, just like the rigging of Abiola's mandate in 1993. So you can see that what is playing out in Abia State is for Ikpeazu to move to APC, so that they will now use APC as a launching pad to move against Alex Otti in 2027 election. That is what is playing out. Perhaps people don't understand what is going on, but I'm telling you here for free that what you are seeing is that Ikpeazu is sending his lieutenants to move to APC while he waits at the background. At the appropriate time, he will join them in APC. Okay? And all those things, they are not doing it because they love Abia people or that they want to get anything from the center. But that will be their sing song. That first they will say that Alex Otti is lying against them. They will say that Alex Otti has done nothing. But Alex Otti's governorship, his achievements is as clear as day and night. Okay? If people can be able to discern that. But they have to come up with something. But that is the agenda. So all this movement you see in Abia State, PDP people moving to APC, they are moving ahead of Dr. Ikpeazu. Already you know that Dr. Ikpeazu is almost in APC right now, only waiting for the right time, alongside with their boss in G5, who is now the Minister of FCT. You know that Nyesom Wike himself has also sent off his own lieutenant to go and join APC. The the 27 PDP lawmakers who were elected under the platform of the PDP that moved to APC. These were Nyesom Wike's men. They have moved ahead of him. Right now, Nyesom Wike has one leg in PDP, one leg in APC. What Nyesom Wike, as far as I can see, is waiting for is for PDP to be totally destroyed, because already PDP is on the verge of death. Nyesom Wike want to facilitate the killing of PDP totally ahead of 2027, and then he will triumphantly move to APC after dealing with PDP. Okay, so that is what is also playing out. So all these things you are seeing is all part of the strategy that they think that can make them relevant in 2027. In case of Ikpeazu, he is doing it hoping that with federal might and all that, they will be able to extricate power out of Alex Otti in 2027. Nyesom Wike is doing his own because, one, he is looking at challenging Governor Fubara for the political structure in that state, and then he wants to position himself in future for presidency or vice president, something like that. That's basically what you see playing out. But I'm happy the way that Alex Otti has taken it, because that is the right way to take it. When Alex Otti was asked about this mass movement of APC to mass movement of PDP members in Abia State to the APC, because let's look at it. If the PDP people are sincere with themselves, the performance of the Abia governor, Alex Otti, is enough for all of them to move to the Labour Party. That should be enough for them, if truly they want the best for Abia State. But because they don't want the best for Abia State, that's why you see them moving to APC for their own selfish interest. But they want to package it that they want to take Abia to the center, which will never happen from my understanding of what is playing out in Abia State. Now let me leave you with the words of Dr. Alex Otti, in which he used to explain all this mass movement. Because Alex Otti, when he was asked about this mass movement of PDP to APC in the state, and he said, our government is the government of the people. What is important for us is to give good governance, and that is what we are doing. It was an excellent response. That is what Alex Otti should continue to do. Alex Otti should continue to give good governance, and that good governance will ensure that he is re-elected in 2027. And already we could see from the first 1 year in office what he has been able to accomplish. If he could accomplish this much in his first term and continue in that light, this much in the first year, you can imagine what he will do in the next 3 years. It will mean that if he continues on this light, and I don't see why he will change his trajectory, he will continue in this light, there will be no contest in Abia State on who becomes the next governor of the state in 2027. It will be a continuation of Alex Otti to finish the good job he started in 2023. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.